Welcome to the Windows Computers and Technology. And if you are a user of this tool, Rufus, to create a bootable USB drive with a Windows image on it, you might have noticed that in the past week or two, if you were downloading some insider builds to test, that it was not allowed and it was in fact blocked. And Rufus actually blames Microsoft for that behavior. Also, many in the tech communities have noted that they were using scripts and those scripts stopped working also. And that's what we think. Now, is it just a bug or not? Some people are starting to think that Microsoft is pushing towards the detection of what is downloading the image. And if it's not the media creation tool, it won't let it download. So in fact, they kind of want you to use the media creation tool from the Microsoft website, which of course does not have all the same options as Rufus. Now, the good news at least is there's a bypass. You can always download an image and then process it with Rufus once it's downloaded to your PC manually. But the ease of using Rufus to do it all is, of course, always interesting. So if you have problems downloading images of Windows with Rufus, you're not alone. It's not a bug that you have to fix. It's possibly Microsoft not allowing anymore, but we never know. And maybe Rufus will find some way to bypass it in a future update. So this is the news for some of you that might have tried. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.